I'm Josh. Hello everyone. So I've been navigating crypto testing tools for roughly 7 years now, and flashusdt services specifically caught my attention around 5 years back, mainly because this sector has the highest concentration of fake operations I've encountered anywhere in crypto. Genuinely, I'd estimate 85% of platforms you find are running scams in some capacity. So flashusdt technology, when implemented legitimately, you're creating tokens that replicate authentic tether perfectly within your wallet environment, matching visual identity, same ticker representation, displays identically across platforms. The customization element sets them apart. You specify transfer limits, expiration timeframes, daily transaction boundaries. It's extremely valuable for testing applications, showing others how blockchain functions practically, exploring DeFi scenarios risk-free without exposing actual capital anywhere. So let me show this working.
So, okay, dashboard is up. First decision is token quantity. 4-tier options showing. Each displays cost structure and recommended applications, and I'm taking this package. Good. Now configuring visibility duration, ranges 1 hour to 7 days. In this case, setting 7 days. Nice. Next, I select generation network and input receiving address, and okay, going TRC20 here, switching to wallet, copying address, back here, pasting, yeah, perfect, matches correctly. So final action is clicking buy Flash. Good. So payment choices are direct transfer or wallet connection, and first option works simpler for me. So and yes, excellent. 1 million tokens generated and dispatched. Now just waiting for balance confirmation, and while it happens, I want to explain why I trust this app specifically, and it's rooted in getting scammed multiple times before discovering legitimate service.
First major loss happened roughly 7 years back. Encountered service called CryptoFlash Pro that was everywhere on YouTube. It looked incredibly professional with detailed documentation. I paid around $500 for their advanced package, thinking higher price meant legitimacy. Tokens appeared in dashboard perfectly, tried sending them to test wallet, transactions showed successful in their interface. Checked Blockchain Explorer though, nothing existed anywhere. Zero transaction record, no smart contract interaction, purely fictional activity displayed in their private system. Then website stayed operational another month, collecting payments before disappearing entirely. Classic exit scam. So when I discovered flashusdt, my entire approach centered on verification before trust. First move, generated minimum possible amount. Immediately checked transaction hash on TRON scan independently. Confirmed real smart contract deployment, validated by actual network nodes, legitimate blockchain activity occurring publicly.
Second check, researched independent community discussions thoroughly, found actual users sharing verifiable experiences with transaction hashes as proof, not template reviews. Started smallest tier available, conducted thorough testing over 6 weeks before committing further resources. That verification process exposed critical differences, transparent blockchain operations confirmable through independent sources, delivered functionality matching exact descriptions provided, responsive human support addressing real technical issues, sustained reliable performance across extended usage period. Minor delays occasionally happen during network congestion peaks. Support might take full day responding during high volume periods, but these represent normal operational realities, not warning signs. So links in pinned comment and description, start small, verify everything independently, never skip verification steps regardless of time pressure. Learn safely here, avoid expensive mistakes like mine. Share your results. Later guys.